Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you exactly how I find my winning products to generate at least 100K per month. And as you guys can see, yesterday we closed off on my store 10.3K in revenue. The day before, we even did 14.2K in revenue. And Saturday, we did 13.3K revenue. So we're hovering around the 10K plus per day with this exact same method I'm going to teach you today. And on my other main store, you guys can see we did 1.1 million GBP year to date, which means 1.5 million USD. So this method is actually working. Oh, and by the way, it's not only working for me, but it's also working for people in the Freedom Materials community. You guys can see Kareem had his best day so far, over 1K day in revenue, which is amazing. Kareem, congratulations. And as you guys can see, day before, Paul is hitting his first 7K day with a ROAS of 3.19, which is amazing. So people are literally printing with the exact same method that I'm about to show you, because this training is exactly what I have done for the Freedom Materials community. So if you guys are interested in making money with Google Ads dropshipping, first link in the description. But let's get into the finding winning products training, because as you guys know, these two stores that I have just shared with you are literally only running on Google Ads. Everyone here in the Freedom Achievers community is printing money with only using Google Ads, no Meta, no TikTok ads, which means we need to do firstly demand research. Then as soon as we have found our niche which is in demand, we need to find competitors that are actually selling the products. And then last but not least, if we find the competitors and we find the products, we need to see if we have enough margin, so we do profitability research, okay? So let's get into phase number one, demand research, what to sell. This is the most common question people have always, like, Jasper, what do I need to sell? Well, we have multiple tools that we can use, and I will not go through this because I literally reported a 1 hour training explaining everything in Freedom Achievers community, but I will give you a condensed version, which is not maybe the detailed one, but gets you moving, okay? So the first thing that I always use is Amazon's movers and shakers. I'm really good at Amazon movers and shakers. As you guys can see, on the left, you see all the niches that you can literally just do. So for example, we go to, let's say, home and kitchen. Okay, home and kitchen. We see bath rug mat. We see an alarm. We see a clock. We see bed sheets, which is funny to see. Bed sheets, pillows, alarm clock again, slow cooker, pillowcase. Okay. This could be something. For example, I really like these the bed sheets, because indeed it is getting colder. Yesterday I literally changed my bed sheets as well to more tough, more thicker one, so it's more warm. So maybe this is something that that we can find. So what we then go is we go to Google Trends and we type in bed sheet worldwide past 5 years. Okay, this is a consistent trend. Actually, it's a consistent trend, which is great. Bath rug mat. Okay, let's see if we can go and find some stuff as well. Health and household. Let's see. We just go and see, what is this? Electric portable sweater. Okay. A lot of supplements, clothing, for example. We just see what people are actually selling here on Amazon. Okay, pajamas, Christmas, holidays pajamas, a lot. Jovers. What's this? Sweatpants. Yeah, these always work as well, of course. This is what people love. Long sleeve shirt. Okay, a lot of long sleeve shirt actually. You see 3, and here again 4 long sleeve shirts. A lot of long sleeve shirts. So we see as well, long sleeve shirt. Yeah, that's going up like crazy right now. So okay, this is in demand, which means great. Now what we could do is we could open the Google Ads library and you just type in long sleeve shirt and you will find a lot of dropshippers selling this exact same product. And if you want to use a little bit more AI research, I can literally just go to ChatGPT, find the SEO keyword planner in ChatGPT and ask them, hey, how much search volume is literally in this niche? That's the same what you can do with the Google Ads keyword planner. And of course, we're going to use common sense, which makes sense, right? We're going to sell long sleeve shirts in winter season because my main market is US. Now it's becoming colder there as well. And the UK, that's the second market that I sell in, a lot of yeah, winter products will be done. So now, if we know, for example, we're gonna sell long sleeve shirts, we need to find competitors selling this. So we can do this with two tools. This is a free tool, isearchfrom.com, where we can type in, for example, United Kingdom, and it's English, and we're gonna do long sleeve shirt. Let's see. Now, instead of having a VPN, you can literally see what people are actually selling. The only problem is you cannot click on it, but now you could see if we can find some dropshippers in here that are selling some stuff. Normally, what I'm looking at is these reviews. If they have no reviews, most of the time, this could be a dropshipper. I don't find anything here yet straight away. So the second method is doing the pay tool, which is NordVPN. I use NordVPN. So I open NordVPN, I go to United Kingdom. Okay, I open a new incognito tab. I go to google.com and we type in long sleeve shirt women. Let's do this and see if we can find something. This could be a dropshipper. This looks like a dropshipper. Let's verify later. Let's see what we find as well. Very cheap. Very cheap. So long sleeve shirt men. Let's see if what we find here. This looks like a dropshipper as well. 404. Okay. But this is a dropshipper as well. But this link is not working anymore. This looks, oh, yes, this is also a dropshipper. Okay, so we find now already some competitors, which is great, Okay, we keep this competitor and we just go to their homepage. I copy the URL. I go to SimilarWeb and I type in the store. And now we can see they are getting some visits, 300% more, UK mostly. Look what the visitors are doing. They're scaling, which is good, which means these guys are getting some traffic. Okay, that's great. Let's see what the second one is doing with the broken link. And we use this one. 1,600 visits, not the craziest. He is scaling as well, but not that crazy. And the last one, let's see what this one is doing. Oh, this one is scaling as well. Look, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So now we have found competitors, actually 3 that are scaling. So what you need to do next is you take this URL, you take the URL, and the next step that I will show you guys here in the training is that we need to go to your competitor tracking sheet, which I have here, and I put it in here, competitor tracking sheet. This one had 27K monthly visits, which means around, I guess, 100K a month, because normally you can do this around times 4, 100K per month. If you want to have this competitor tracking sheet, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment something nice, and I will send this competitor sheet straight to you so you can use it, okay? So you have all my competitors that I keep track of. But you need to be subscribed, okay? I will check. So now we have found some competitors. People are actually now selling these products that we just found. So for example, let's go back to the other one. We have this long sleeve shirt. What we could do is now we take a screenshot. Let's see, what was this one, what he was selling. This one, we take a screenshot as well. Because now do you see they're selling this for 34.95, which is what, 40 euros, maybe 50 USD, 45 USD. So now we go to AliExpress to find the product. We can click here on search, upload a photo. We can go to the one that I just made a screenshot of, which is the long sleeve for men, and boom, we find it. We find it. Different colors actually as well, different prices. It doesn't mean that the highest price is always the one that's actually being used. You can see like it literally diversifies between $80 and $27. So I guess this will be around $10, $12, which I can see on average. But now we literally have found the product and now you're able to list it on your store and just run Google Ads with that. That's actually what we do. So if we summarize it, we have found some different niches on Amazon's movers and shakers mostly. We verify with Google Trends if the trends are going up or down, if the trend is literally going to explode. We have found some competitors on Facebook. That's what we have done. We have verified with ChatGPT search volume and Google Ads keywords. Plus, we use common sense, right? Because, for example, now I'm thinking about this, we have found some long sleeve search, which means maybe hoodies will also be something. So now we could do hoodies. As soon as you know the kind of products you want to sell or the kind of collection, you go and find competitors with the free tool I search from. If you have some money, please use NordVPN. I think these two tools are the best tools you can use for Google Ads dropshipping. And as soon as you have found some competitors, you put them in the competitor sheet. And from the competitor sheet, you're going to list them on your store and you're going to run Google Ads to it, which is exactly what we are doing in Freedom Achievers. Soon, Freedom Achievers 2.0 is launching, literally very, very soon, within a few weeks. Depends on when you're watching this video. But if you want to lock in the price as cheap as possible, then this is the time to really lock in, because soon the prices go up. And if the prices go up, you won't be affected by the price increase, which is amazing. So if you want to make serious money in 2026 with Google Ads dropshipping, first link is below. And if you want to see how I literally used this method I showed you to generate 1.5 million with a full case study, watch this video, because I literally made a complete case study explaining from A to Z how I run my Google Ads dropshipping business with just 2 hours of work per week. Thank you for watching this one and see you in the next one.